Hello students, in today's lecture we will learn program to make calculator using infinite while loop. In a main function we have declared two variables of type float a and b and two variables of type int choice and ch. Now we have infinite while loop while and in parenthesis 1. 1 means condition in while is always true. Now the control comes inside while loop. Printf statement print enter A and B. Using scanf, user enter value of A and B. Suppose user enter 5 and 2. Now printf statement print press 1 for addition, press 2 for subtraction, press 3 for multiplication, and press 4 for division. Using scanf, user enter value of choice. Now we have switch statement. Switch and in parenthesis expression. Expression is choice. Choice is matched with a particular case. If user want to do addition, then value of choice is 1 and 1 matches with case 1. Printf statement print 5 plus 2 equals to 7 and with the help of break, control comes out of switch block. Similarly, if user want to do subtraction, then value of choice is 2 and 2 matches with case 2. Printf statement print 5 minus 2 equals to 3 and with the help of break, control comes out of switch block. Similarly, if user want to do multiplication, then value of choice is 3 and 3 matches with case 3. Printf statement print 5 into 2 equals to 10 and with the help of break, control comes out of switch block. Similarly, if user want to do division, then value of choice is 4 and 4 matches with case 4. Printf statement print 5 divided by 2 equals to 2.5 and with the help of break, control comes out of switch block. Now, if user press any other value of choice, then control comes to default and printf statement print enter a valid choice and with the help of break, control comes out of switch block. Now, printf statement print, do you want to continue? Press 1 or 0. Using scanf, user enter value of ch. If ch is 1, then continue the process. And if ch is 0, then if condition will become true and break inside if will bring the control out of infinite while loop and our program ends here. Here is the output. Enter A and B. User enter 5 and 2. Now user press 1 for addition. 5 plus 2 is 7. Do you want to continue? Press 1 or 0. User press 1. Again, enter A and B. User enter 5 and 2. Now, user press 4 for division. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. Do you want to continue? Press 1 or 0. User press 0 to stop the process. So we end our lecture today. Thank you.